The Tower and the Tongues. At dawn, Nara sketches spirals, while Kedit rallies crews below. Leo threads between lines, lifting a brick to spark a shared response. Nara confers with Kedit at the foundation, pointing skyward with resolve. Children cheer as a layer completes. The drumbeat steadies many hands. From the spine of the tower, Leo's raised brick draws a unified answer. Wind snaps pennants as Nara and Leo align corridors to the sun's arc. Cadet approaches with orders. Chisels flash and mortar bowls pass in rhythm. A low resonance rolls. Doves wheel as the bell's echo suddenly dies. Kedit's words warp into strange syllables. Leo repeats, but they do not match. Across girders, carriers call in different tongues. A bowl slips and splatters. Nara points to a safety bolt. Kedit gestures elsewhere as a crate swings wild. Violet dusk settles as work stalls. Small fires flicker at the tower's base. Nara steadies a cracked blueprint as Kedit pauses opposite, eyes meeting softly. Leo offers a brick. Nara marks a symbol and returns it with a quiet nod. Elders lead a caravan. Children trace lines that diverge like rivers in dust. Cadet lifts his staff to depart. Nara raises two fingers in a quiet blessing.